The TSC Equipment Explorer is a hands-on 3D learning tool that enables users to investigate industrial equipment in intricate detail, helping them visualize how internal components interact and operate together. Designed for education and workforce development, it supports the engineers of tomorrow. Equipment can be exploded, allowing users to isolate and inspect key parts and assemblies in detail, revealing the internal structure of equipment for closer study and understanding. The Equipment Explorer includes a structured hierarchy and list view, allowing users to selectively hide components. This is particularly useful when exploring fully assembled equipment, helping users understand how components fit together. Using the labeling and information system, users can quickly identify components, understand their function, and learn industry terms, with information tailored to the specifics of the components of a viewed model. With the cutaway feature, users can slice through equipment to reveal their internals, flow paths, and mechanisms. Manipulation tools allow the cutaway plane to be positioned freely, giving users complete control over how they inspect and visualize areas of interest. The Equipment Explorer is also available in XR. Augmented reality support on MetaQuest 3 allows equipment to be placed directly into the user's physical environment, creating an intuitive mixed reality learning experience. This version provides a highly engaging experience, allowing users to physically move around equipment, inspect components at true scale, and engage with industrial assets in a far more natural and immersive way than is possible on a conventional screen. The ability to manipulate components in virtual space adds another layer of depth that can only be achieved through XR. The TSC Equipment Explorer is designed to support any industry and can accommodate virtually any equipment model or asset type. Custom models can be supplied alongside the standard equipment library, either individually or as part of tailored training packages and equipment groupings. The Equipment Explorer is available across many platforms. PC, delivered alongside TSC's virtual plants, control room simulators and classroom training systems, the cloud via AWS, Meta and Pico VR headsets, and Android tablets.